In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if iTunes is not detecting your iPad on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just to unplug the iPad and then wait a few seconds and plug it back in, as well as closing out and then relaunching iTunes and see if that is able to help resolve the problem. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and search for services. Best result, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the Apple mobile device service. Go ahead and double click on that and then set startup type to automatic. And then if the service status is running, stop it. And then we're going to start it back up. And then hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. On your iPad, you may need to reset your location settings. That's also a potential issue on that. So that would have to be a different tutorial. But on the Windows side, we're pretty much covered. You may need to reinstall iTunes, possibly. I mean, you can try that, but that really should not be necessary in most cases. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.